In downtown Colorado Springs, the Colorado Springs Pioneer Museum is more than just a collection of artifacts. It's a vibrant window into the rich and diverse history of the Pikes Peak region. Housed in the beautifully restored 1903 El Paso County Courthouse, the building is a stunning piece of history in its own right. Its classic architecture, complete with a towering clock dome and elegant interior, gives visitors a sense of grandeur before they even see the first exhibit. The museum's mission is to preserve and share the cultural history of the area, from Native American heritage to the founding of Colorado Springs, to the city's evolution into a thriving community that it is today. Inside, you'll find permanent and rotating exhibits that cover everything from mining and railroads to medicine, military history, and civil rights. One of the standout exhibits explores the story of General William Jackson Palmer, the city's founder, a Civil War veteran, and a visionary who dreamed of creating a utopian city at the base of Pikes Peak. His legacy is woven throughout Colorado Springs, and his story is told in depth at the museum, alongside those of many people, settlers, immigrants, and indigenous communities who shaped the region. Another popular exhibit highlights the experience of the tuberculosis patients who came to Colorado for its dry, sunny climate, helping transform the city into a health destination in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Places like the Woodman Sanatorium, Union Printers Home, and others were established to cater to the influx of TB patients. In fact, many places that were once sanatoriums are now museums, like the Montcalm Sanatorium is now the Miramont Castle Museum in neighboring Manitou Springs. The Pioneer Museum also dedicates space to the indigenous peoples of the area, including the Ute, Cheyenne, and Arapaho tribes, honoring their contributions and struggles through powerful storytelling and artifacts. On June 12, 2025, the permanent exhibit Until Forever Comes, This is Ute Homeland opened after 5 years of consultation with the Southern Ute Indian Tribe, Ute Mountain Ute Tribe, Ute Indian Tribe of the Uinta, and Ouray Reservation. Whether you're a history buff or just curious about how Colorado Springs came to be, the Pioneers Museum offers an engaging and educational experience for all ages. It's free to the public, family-friendly, and always full of surprises. So as you walk through the exhibits, take a moment to reflect on the people and stories that built this city, some heroic, some complicated, all deeply human.